The Screen-O-Matic will display the 4 Google Forms that were created so students and staff can respond to the research questions. The surveys were created so all applicable stakeholders can respond in a timely manner. For the first research question, the student survey is going to ask about their current view of the library. These questions include telling their opinion and explaining the purpose of the library. From there, the students are asked if they use the library, how often, why they think people come to the library when they come, why specifically does the student doing the survey come to the library, how does the student prefer to learn, do they think that the library is a place where they can learn about their own interests, if the library provides activities that the classroom may not, and if they think the added interactive centers like the Lego wall, the 3D printer, and Sphero are challenging yet rewarding activities. Next, I would show the student survey that addresses the second research question. How do our students prefer to learn? This is a student interview. The questions ask about the students' reasons for coming to the library, what can be added or done to make the process easier for the student, if the student thinks that there are enough resources in the library to appeal to their personal interests, how the student prefers to learn, something that they learned recently and how the topic was learned, why the topic is important to them, what can the library provide them to learn more about this topic, what other topics are interesting to them, and how can the library be a place for the student to learn more about this topic. The third activity for students is a survey that asks students how they prefer to learn. First, students rate themselves on how well they can solve problems. Then they are all asked about how they analyze the solutions to problems by thinking first, writing, reading, using math, science, or technology skills. The students are then asked to rate themselves again about how they complete challenging tasks and what subject areas are challenging yet fun. In order for the students to be more creative during the school day, the daily classroom instruction and teachers are part of this data collection process as well. The teachers would be asked to complete this survey, asking about their opinion of the library, encouraging students to use the library, when they take their class to the library and why, the purpose of the library, how do they think students prefer to learn, if their classroom provides the same resources as a library, whether or not their lessons are engaging students to problem solve in creative ways, and naming specific examples of how creative thinking is used in the classroom.